Let's make a ram's head out of a railroad spike. So I tried to cool off that end because I want to draw the nose of this, or the nose of it out. Probably help to hold on to it. Focus. That was a mistake. See, I didn't want to flatten the head down like I did. I wanted to draw the neck out, which this would be, this end right here would be the nose. This is where I would cut the horns. But it's a mistake, it happens. We will simply stick her back in the fire and start over. Hardly nothing. Y'all have a blessed day.